Hello. Welcome to IMA. Do you face challenges in communication or writing English? Do you feel stuck while using English at work or in daily life? We are organizing an advanced English workshop to help you overcome these problems with confidence. Date: 30th August 2025. Time: 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Online session. In this workshop, you will learn how to face common English challenges, sentence construction and grammar practice, useful idioms and expressions, workplace communication made simple. Don't worry, the session will include Indian Sign Language support so everything is clear and easy to follow. This is your chance to practice, solve problems, and improve your English step by step. Register now. Apply using the form in the link below. Don't miss it, join us. Together, let's make English learning simple, enjoyable, and successful. Thank you.